This is what I'm going to tackle today. Dave's going to show me how to use his pressure washer so I can clean off those bricks. And then I'm going to dig out some of the weeds in there that I can find. And then I'm going to take this dirt here and put a bunch of it in there. So yeah, first, Dave,
what are you going to do?
Is going to show me how to use the pressure washer. Welcome to Lorrie's world. Unbelievable, the things that you find when you start digging. We're trying to get this, whatever the heck it is, out of here, and it is deep. Some kind of a, I don't know, metal pot of some sort. But it was full of bricks. All of these bricks were in it. Like, I just don't understand. Do you understand, honey?
No, not really. Oh, why? I can't. Oh, fuck.
It is not moving. I have to stay back so that Dave can swing his.
Well,
is that the bottom?
I don't know.
Or another layer of bricks? Oh, what's that?
I don't know. It's something.
It's something. Oh, that might have been from that bird, maybe? That was in here?
Could be.
What do you think it is? It's about a foot tall, I'd guess. And it's got holes around the top of it. And it's got a hole down there in the bottom, or a couple of holes down there in the bottom. But yeah, I have no idea what it is. But it was buried. It was buried good. And the bottom layer was mostly ash, so that's kind of weird. I wonder who ever thought that corner was a good spot to have a fire pit. That's just crazy to me. I just don't know what's going on in the world anymore. Put your best guess in the comments below. I'll be sure to read them all. All right, what are we inspecting today, honey? Ah, look at how much cleaner it looks back here. Oh boy. Well, you know, honey, you did say that you didn't want to have a life of leisure. You said you wanted to keep on going.
I said I wanted to die standing up, but I didn't say I wanted to die standing up in a couple of months.
I hope it's not a wagon.
What?
Well, it seems like you found a wagon wheel.
I found a wagon wheel, but
I doubt if it's a wagon. Look at what Dave found today.
It's like there's something else down there, and I don't know where your mom
buried the cat.
Yeah.
And if they're in anything?
Well, that's just it.
If they're in anything, it would probably have been like a shoe box or a cardboard box or something. So it's probably going to be disintegrated by now. But yeah, so once upon a time there was a wagon wheel. And then look at some of these roots and parts of stumps or whatever the heck they were doing back here.
There's a stump right there.
There's another stump, yeah. The dirt smells delicious.
Whatever.
I know you don't care that there's marvelous soil here, but there really is. Under all these layers of wagon wheels and debris. So gosh.
more level and stuff, you put a tarp over it and kill all that stuff.
Hmm.
That's what I planned on doing, but I didn't know they had 2 ferns and a stump.
Yeah. It's always 2 ferns and a stump, isn't it, honey? That's another stump. Or 2 stumps and a fern.
Whichever.
One or the other. Are you having fun?
No.
No? I'm sorry.
I'd say something, but I won't because
Because the camera's on you.
of cameras. And if it actually came true, I'd probably go to jail for it.
Uh-oh.
But anyway.
Yeah. I'm not very happy with the people who left it like this either.
Well.
Whether it's Mom and Phil or the people before them or the crappy management company that we had.
I don't think it was.
Yeah.
And everything. So.
Well, after these bloom and we see what they are, and they're done blooming, we can mow them all down.
What's this wee stuff? You got a.
I had a mouse in my pocket. Didn't you know?
You better start looking for a replacement for me.
Why?
Because once I drop dead from doing all this stuff, you got to have somebody. You're not going to be able to maintain it. What?
I've already told you you're not to die until after I have. I'm just saying. You've been told. I'm excited to see how much sun we got once those trees are down.
Are you taking those corner trees out?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I'll just have to clear in here for my hammock. Right in between these trees. Or those 2 trees.
Oh, shoot.
Because then it's far enough away from the fence.
Yeah, whatever.
I know that my hammock is a big concern for you, honey, and I don't want you to worry. I will make sure I leave a place to, although I don't think that any of them, I think we told him we were leaving those 3 trees in the back there.
You did?
But we might have him remove them. There's always something, but the saga goes on. We keep digging, we keep finding, and we keep clearing out one branch at a time. Thanks for coming and hanging out with us. Take good care of yourself. Bye now.